G'day guys, Kiwi Craig here. Just been putting together a little Microheli 230S kit. They're quite nifty little S300 kit and 3-blade head. Overall actually it's quite a nice little fun little semi-scale flyer. It looks good in flight, that's the main thing. A couple of changes I made. Number one is I changed the Microheli's 3D printed links for the swash to blade grip link. Just use the standard ones. I've had one break, I've had one really stretch out really badly as well. So rather than risk that, I just swap them out for the standard part. A couple other little changes in here. I'm running the AliExpress 26-27 motor. For $10, these things are an absolute bargain. Got quite a bit more power on tap. The helis just fly with a lot more authority, no bogging, excellent, but you do need to jump up to 1300 or 1550 type battery pack. I really like these GNBs, really good little pack, little shorty pack too, fits nice. Other changes, I use a trimmed down Microheli 4-inch drone prop on the tail. Now this one's got their aftermarket, their alternative aluminium little hub, looks a little nicer. And then just for a more of a scale look, I just trim and rebalance the blades so they're just a little bit narrower. The tail puts out a lot more hold. When you do this, you've got to really drop the PID settings. I'm down at around 80, 90, 95, and then I bump up to about 110, 115 on the response. You do have to bump that response value up. Ideally the 3-blade head plus this motor is putting a lot more torque, so when you want it to respond it's got to counter that first. What else? 230S stock ESC actually runs okay with these motors. They're just nice. They're about 150-200 watts depending on how much load you put on them. Stock motor is sort of 100-135 watts on load, so you got about a 50% more motor power on tap. Not much else to say, so we'll just bang the canopy on and take it for a little cruise around the park. Right, as you can see, nice looking heli in the white trim. Personally, I like the white. So I have a semi-idle up type throttle on setting on here. It goes 0 to 75, then 75 flat straight across. Okay. I'm just mucking around with tail PID settings at the moment. You can see with that AliExpress motors, they've got plenty of power. You can pretty well fly as you like. You ain't going to bog these down. The 3-blade head, standard geometry, I'm finding about 20 expo, and that's 100% rates is actually really nice. But if you just want to slow it down and cruise a bit more, 80% rates, 20% expo also is really nice. Little breezy today, got an ocean breeze coming in from behind me. It's sort of running 5-7 mile an hour at the moment, but reasonably steady, so it makes life a little easier. Just got a constant breeze coming on the back. Yeah, still a little bit more PID tuning just needed on that tail. It's just got a little wiggle going on, but that's also because I'm tail into the breeze as well. I thinned down the blades on the tail blade just because the motor was running a little hot. I think it's just this ESC is on the tail is sort of getting a bit tapped out with the 3-blade head and extra torque. Overall, if you like a scale look to your helis for 70 bucks, these Microheli kits are pretty hard to beat. Really simple, no painting, just assemble it, away you go. The 3-blade head's just the icing on the cake in my opinion, but equally fly just as good on the 2-blade head. I will say one of the important things is get the Microheli blades, the 3-blade kit. The cord width is, the blade is a thinner cross section, so it takes a little load off things. Really important actually if you're flying with a standard motor, which you know lacks power. The thinner cross section on the 3-blade blade kit just helps keep load in check on the motor. But overall, flying really nice. Lovely little semi-scale helicopter, this one. Like I say, for 70 bucks, bargain. Yeah. It's a real good turn of speed. That extra head speed, the AliExpress motor is 4200 kV versus 3900 on your standard motor, so you're picking up 10% speed there. I'm staying with the 12 tooth pinion. I tried smaller pinions, but it really just didn't work. This motor's got the torque. 12, you could even try a 13 I reckon on these. And because I've got the semi-idle up deal going, see I've still got 75% power. Come down, come down, come down, come down on the throttle, and it only buttons off in the last quarter. Alright. Bundle of fun. Thank you very much, Microheli. Great little kit.